Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. Today's topic is types of disaster. I hope you are now able to explain the definition of disaster, disaster management, various terminologies, and also disaster management cycle that we have explained in our previous lecture. In this lecture, we will cover general classification of disaster, that is man-made disaster and natural disaster. Then classification of natural disasters, there are various natural disasters, and then man-made disaster in detail. So let's start with classification of natural disaster. With the term, you are now able to understand what is natural disaster. Natural disasters are caused by reasons beyond the human control. Natural disaster could pose threat to people, structures, or economic assets. It could be due to biological and geophysical, hydrological, meteorological, and climatological. Hydrological disasters are also known as hydrometeorological disasters. So, let's start with the biological disaster. We are now facing COVID 19. This is also a biological disaster, and you know that as we are experiencing, so we know that this disaster is very much harmful, and this can affect our lifestyle, and it can cause life loss. This can cause economic loss also. So if we define the term biological disaster, then we can define in this way that it can caused by some certain kind of living organisms like bacteria, virus. So COVID-19 is also a biological disaster, and it is caused by virus, and it can be of epidemic level, that indicates a disaster that affects many people in a given area or community, and it can be of pandemic level also, that indicates a disaster that affects a much larger region. COVID-19 is also pandemic as it affects the all countries of world, so it is worldwide problem. So this is pandemic level, we are experiencing this. So this is our, from this experience we know this is very harmful disaster. Then geophysical, geo means the term geo means litho means land. So geological disaster, this is geophysical, and also it is known as geological disaster. Geological disasters are that these are catastrophic events that arise as a result of changes in the earth system. So here the best example for geophysical disaster is earthquake. As we know, the earthquake occurs due to different changes in the inner core of the earth system. So the we know the concept of mantle. Due to changes in various mantles, it can plates, it causes earthquake. So it is land based disaster, that's why it is geophysical disaster. Then hydrological disaster. Hydro, the term hydro means water. So it is related to water. Hydrolog and meteorological also. This is hydrological disaster, and the term also hydrometeorological. Meteorological means change of weather. Meteorological means weather change. So hydrological disasters are those disasters which are related to water. The best example for hydrological disaster is flood. Now, meteorological disaster, due to meteorological, as I already said that meteorological means the when there is a change in the weather. So this is short term effect. Due to certain change in weather, we can experience storm. So storm is the best example for meteorological disaster. Then the final one is climatological. Climate, and there is a basic difference in between climate and weather is a certain change of weather is a certain change, so it can change in a daily basis. But climate change, climate, when we call it as climate, it means a change of a certain region for a long time. So climatological change means this is long term basis. So this is the basic difference between meteorological certain change, climatological due to change in the climate for a long time. So here we can, so the best example to explain climatological is the drought. Drought is very useful, very experience this you can, some of you experience this drought also. So this is the best example. So I think now you can explain what is biological disaster, what is geophysical disaster. Example: earthquake, hydrological flood, meteorological storm, and climatological is the drought and heat wave, cold wave. This. Next is man-made disaster. Man-made disasters means these are not naturally occurring. These are, this man-made disaster is also known as the biological term. The scientific term is anthropogenic disaster. Man-made disaster can be intentional and it can be accidental also. Intentional man-made disasters, like very perfect example for intentional man-made disaster is war, terrorist attack. So these are some intentional man-made disaster. Though the accidental disaster, these are not intentional. These are like oil spill, chemical accidents, nuclear accidents. But in nuclear accidents in a nuclear power plant, this is not intentional, so this is accidental man-made disaster. But in case of using atomic bomb in a war, this is intentional man-made disaster. So I think it is very understandable man-made disaster easily. Here is this is an example of oil fires in Kuwait, and another, this one is the comparison of Aral Sea between 2000 and 2011. So within 10 years you can see the level of water level changes. Another example is, this is dust storm approaching Texas in US in 1985. So these are all man-made disaster. Why these are man-made disaster? Here, this why this one is man-made disaster, as the we are responsible for climate change. So this is man-made disaster. I found a video in YouTube. Here I am showing you. You can understand all these terms very easily as it is animated video. So this will be interesting for you also.
Disaster types and effects. You might have heard the news of earthquakes, cyclones, terrorist attacks, failure of atomic power plants, etc. These are dangerous events that happen without our knowledge. We call them disasters. United Nations has defined disaster as the sudden event that leads to huge loss of life and property. From this definition, we understand two main characteristics of disasters. The first one is that it is all of sudden event which happens without our knowledge. And the second is it causes huge loss to the life, property as well as to the entire environment. As disasters occurs unpredictably, therefore it is not possible to take precautions. Note that disasters are different in terms of nature of disaster, period of each disaster, and extent of damage it can cause. Let's try to classify them. One way to classify disaster is natural disasters and man-made disasters. A natural disaster is an adverse event that results from natural processes of the earth. It could be earthquakes, volcanoes, flood, drought, cyclones, etc. Natural disasters can be further categorized into geophysical, biological, meteorological, hydrological, and climatological disasters. On the other hand, there are man-made disasters which happen due to technological growth. For example, industrial accidents, chemical spills, fire, war, crimes, terrorist activities, etc. Man-made disasters can be accidental or intentional. Because of disaster, the life in respective area suffered a lot. Some of the disasters are catastrophic, which takes place all of the sudden and cause great damage, but the recovery takes place in short time. For example, nobody can forget the earthquake of Gujarat and Latur, but now the life in these areas returned to normal. There are other disasters whose impact remains for long duration. Such disasters remain severe or severity increases even after it happens. Other examples include desertification, various problems of crop, global warming, and rising level of oceans, etc. Broadly speaking, disasters affect medical, economic, social, environmental, political, and administration areas of life. Once a life is gone, it is gone. There is no chance of recovery. Others suffer from mental stress, injuries, etc. Mental stress often leads to social health issues. Demand for food, water, and other resources give rise to clashes in the society. The spreading of diseases often create unhealthy environment. Collapsing of bridges, buildings, road transport, railways, etc. cause great economic loss. It causes decrease in productivity and increase in expenditure for recovery. Disasters also lead to pollution of land, air and water resources, causing various environmental problems. There are problems in functioning of administration because of stress on workers, failure of transport system and other facilities. The damage to governmental system leads to political problems as well. These are all effects of disaster.
So, from this video, you can understand all these very easily, and this is interesting also. Uh, if we summarize our today's lecture, then we can say we are now able to explain, we are now able to learn what are natural disasters and their classification, that is geophysical, biological, meteorological, hydrological, and climatological. And also we are able to explain definition and their examples. Then all the classification, and also man-made disasters. Man-made disasters can be of two types: accidental and intentional, and we can explain with their nature. Intentional means these are war, terrorist attack, and also uh, the use of atom bomb. But the unintentional, that are accidental disasters like road accidents, the oil spillage, and also nuclear accidents. These are not intentional, these are unintentional and accidental also. So today up to this, if you have any query, then you can ask me your question in discussion forum, and we will discuss some other topic in our next lecture. We will discuss different disasters with respect to the Indian climate and Indian meteorological disasters. And thank you.